Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Pretty Kia coming to you with a brand new video in the new year. And I know it's been a very long time, but guess what, I'm here now. That's all that matters. So what this video is about is okay, let's bring it back. Alright, so today's video is going to be a hairstyle that I've done years ago and wanted to do it again. First of all, it's Ivy's flip over method, and my birthday is coming up this Sunday, so I say, you know what, that's gonna be the hairdo. I went to good old Amazon and ordered me some hair, and here it is. It is 20-inch unprocessed natural hair. It can be dyed, permed, or bleached. We're not going to do either one of those. We're not going to bleach it, we're not going to perm it, and we're definitely not going to dye it, so the hair doesn't stink. It smells like regular hair. Shedding so far because I have not cut the weft. Ooh, now this is curly hair now. Just a couple of strands. So check down below for all the details about this hair. It did come with a wig cap. We're going to save this for later. I'm not going to use this wig cap for this install. I'm going to glue it instead of sewing it in. I'm going to keep the perimeter out so I'm able to put my hair in a ponytail or wear it straight down. So that's it. Guys, you know I'm going to get straight to the point. We're going to get right into this video. We're going to get right into installing this hair. Stay tuned.